While using Steam on your computer, sometimes you may face issues with the network. You might encounter with some errors that you are not able to connect with the internet. Something like this what you see on the screen right now. The error code is 106, which says that unable to connect to the server. Server may be offline or you may not be connected to the internet. But you can see that my system is already connected to the internet. But I am not able to connect to the game or my Steam is disconnected. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue. Now let's start with the first fix. The first fix is that you have to go and check whether the Steam is updated or not. For that, just go to the first menu and from here just click on check for Steam client updates. Make sure that the Steam client is up to date. The next thing you have to do is you have to go to the start and then go and type cmd and run the command prompt as administrator. Now you have to execute the following commands to resolve the issue. First command is netsh winsock reset. Now click on enter. Now the winsock catalog is successfully resetted. It will ask to restart the computer, but you can ignore that for the time being. And the next command is netsh int IP reset. In this, you are going to reset the IP and then click on enter. You can see that all the IP address is resetted. I'll share every command prompt in the description. You can copy it from there so you can easily execute it from here. So the next thing what you have to do is you have to flush the DNS. That means you will be flushing the cache files from the Steam. ipconfig flush DNS. And you have to enter. Now it will return the message that you have successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now the next thing what you have to do is you have to release the current IP address. For that you have to use this command. This will release the current IP configuration. Just enter. Now the last thing you have to do here in this command set is to renew the IP configuration. For that you can use this command ipconfig/renew and click on enter. If you get the error like this, you have to check whether the Wi-Fi is connected. If not, then connect it again. Now the IP has been successfully resetted. Now once that is done, you can close down this command prompt and then you have to bring up the Steam client again. Now what you have to do next is to go to the Steam menu, drop down menu. From there go to the settings and from here just go to downloads and here just go down and click on clear download cache. But make sure that you have all the logins saved within you. This will clear all the logins of your current games. So this click on clear cache and then confirm it. Now once that is done, you have to restart your computer and I'm pretty sure that the problem will be solved. Now even after that, if you are getting the same error that you are not able to connect to the internet or network issues, then what you have to do is you have to go and search for PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Now you have to run a script. I'll share the script in the description. You can take it from there. Since it contains third-party script, you might get a message that it contains malicious content. So you don't have to worry about it. What you have to do is you have to go to, let's open this, and for the time being, you have to turn this off. Now just go and run it again. Now you will get a message like this. Now from here you have to select the download mode. That is first one, that is GitHub Mirror or give. So give the choice, that is 1 and click on enter. Now here you will have to enter the Steam app ID of the game which you want to get connected. So to find that, just go to the Steam. From here just right click on the game and select the properties. And from here go to updates and here you will get the app ID. I'm entering it here and then click on enter. After doing that, it will automatically close down the window immediately after entering. And if it doesn't close, you have to wait for a little while. Then you have to restart your system. That's it. And now your Steam client will be connecting to the network and internet. So hope this fix is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.